right, today I'm going to change the side view mirrors on this. This car is wrapped. It's filthy because it's been sitting out all winter long in Indiana, northern Indiana. Looks awful. Anyways, wrapping the mirrors was not going so well. So you can still see the original blue under here, and I got these carbon fiber caps on it. But I don't really like the look of the dark mirrors, so I actually found a pretty good deal on some OEM white mirrors. So I'm gonna swap those on today. Shouldn't be too difficult, but I think it'll make the car look better overall, tie everything together.
What you doing? You helping? Yeah, it's dirty.
Alright, first things first, gonna disconnect the battery because this thing's been sitting all winter and probably not too happy as it is, so with the doors being open while I do these side mirrors, I'll try to preserve it as much as I can. Get it real quick. Simple enough. Alright. Try to polish these up again. First things first, this thing will pop off. I think I'm going to pry it from the bottom, probably around right here. See if these little plastic tools will do the trick. Probably one hidden under this, I'm guessing. Yep, there it is. So there's one underneath it. Not sure if that'll need to pop off once I pull the mirror down out this way. Find out. Okay, so these are T25. They shouldn't be very tight, so this ought to be done. Just pull this out and you can hit that clip right there. Installation, obviously, this easily drop this bolt down in the door and then enjoy taking your door panel all the way off to get to it. So just be extra cautious when putting this lower bolt in, lower forward one. Other than that, pretty stoked for the white mirrors. Very close match. The wrap's supposed to be Carrera white. I don't actually know the paint code on this. I wanted to find something similar that was already painted white, so should do the trick. This thing stays pretty filthy, so nobody should notice too easily. So both of these have definitely been off before on this car because the upper tab that's supposed to catch into there when you slide it down, pop it in. Both these tabs on this one was pressed all the way in, which means they just crammed it up against there and didn't actually hook it into that notch there. So that was collapsed in. I just pried it out. Surprised it didn't actually break when I was trying to pry it back out. But the other side was exactly the same. So since it's kind of bent in, it probably would be difficult to get it to hook again, but these little snaps here are holding it in fine for the last couple of years, so hopefully those will do again. Okay, cool. Looks way better to me. Next thing I want to do, besides wash it, is get rid of all this red. This GT3 wing was on a Guards red car, so this is all wrapped, but the red paint on here, I'm gonna have to, I don't know, touch it up with a small paintbrush or something, but the red bothers me.